Today, we're diving into the Adams Rite 7100-310-628-00 door strike, a vital component for enhancing security and access control in various settings. Designed for remote use, this strike is a standout in the Adams Rite 7100 series, catering to doors equipped with Adams Rite hardware. What sets this product apart is its robust functionality and seamless integration capabilities with existing access control systems. It boasts durable construction, ensuring longevity even under frequent use scenarios. Installation is straightforward, thanks to its compatible design with standard door frames and electric strike stop performance-wise. The Adams Rite 7100-310-628-00 excels in delivering reliable operation, crucial for maintaining secure access points. It supports remote access control solutions effectively, making it ideal for both residential and commercial applications where security is paramount point. One of its notable features is compatibility with a wide range of door types, offering flexibility in deployment. Whether you're upgrading an existing security system or installing a new one, this door strike proves to be a valuable asset. It enhances convenience with its responsive functionality, ensuring smooth entry and exit processes without compromising on security measures. In conclusion, the Adams Rite 7100-310-628-00 door strike impresses with its robust build, compatibility, and reliability in remote access control setups. It's a recommended choice for anyone looking to bolster security measures while maintaining user-friendly access management solutions.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.